been away for a while, but we're not easing back in. We're starting from the foundation. And for me, that foundation is denim. Today, I'm styling 5 days of business casual just using one timeless aesthetic. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to the TSV. If you're new here, I'm Judy and I'm an avid thrifter. The vibe here is thrift and style. This is where we take our thrifted finds and create our own unique style vibe. Now, before we get into the styling session for today, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to give this video a thumbs up. I need you to leave me a comment and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. This will go a long way in helping the YouTube algorithm push this video out to as many people as possible. Today, we're doing something classic. 5 days of business casual, all built around denim as its foundation. After being away for a season, I'm coming back grounded, and denim felt like the perfect place to start. Because denim isn't casual when you style it with purpose. Now, let's get into creating today's style vibe. Day one, we're starting with this pair of denim by Jack and Jones. This is a high-waisted denim pant with the button fly at the front, slightly tapered at the bottom. Thrifted. Today, we're going for that vintage-inspired look with this 70s psychedelic printed blouse that has the beautiful detail on the sleeve and this daggered collar. Thrifted. To finish the look, this cobalt blue leather jacket, also thrifted. And for footwear, we're going with these black Zara booties, also thrifted. Now I've got the look put together. These are the jewelry that I've added, or accessories. I'm wearing these simple earrings I got from Amazon. I love to do the necklace stacking. This one is my go-to. I'm always wearing that. And then I've added this 3-layer chain necklace to create a little bit more interest. It also mimics this pattern in the shirt. I've zhuzhed up the sleeves a little bit, and I've chosen to tuck the shirt in and add this belt that has that detail as well that just ties everything together. For day 2, we're going with this pair of US Polo denim. I love the design here on the pocket. This I thrifted in the men's department at Goodwill. It has a little bit of a distress, but we're going to elevate this. With that pair of denim, we are going to add this vertical striped oversized men's shirt, thrifted in the men's department, of course, and a little bit of necklace stacking here again. To bring the business to this outfit, we're adding this light gray blazer with the 3 buttons on it, and I'm throwing in this baseball cap. And for footwear, we're going with these brown cowboy boots. I've decided to add this thrifted Juicy Couture purse that perfectly ties everything together with my brown boots. For day 3, we're not actually going denim. We're going with these green pants by the brand Melissa. This is also thrifted. I love this detail on the back, sort of that Western influence, and they are a little bit cropped. And with those pants, we're adding this long sleeve striped shirt, this plaid sort of varsity style tie by J. Crew, and we're going to be adding this vest that pulls all those colors together. And of course, to keep it business, we're adding this navy blazer by Tommy Hilfiger, and it's thrifted, of course. And to that, we're adding these black lace-up patent shoes. Thrifted. This is our denim piece for day 4. Day 4. This is a pair of wide leg medium wash denim. And this is also thrifted. This is by a fast fashion brand. Yes, it's Shein. But that's okay. I love the fit of it anyways. And with those denim, we're adding this long sleeve crew neck knit sweater in black. We're going to go with a white long sleeve tee underneath just to give us that little peek out at the top. And we're stacking our necklaces again. And again, to keep it business, because it's business casual styling, we're going with this blazer by FDL. And this has got some details on it, this black detail at the back and the same detail on the cuff. And in an effort to keep ourselves not so serious, we're going to add these black and white Skechers sneakers. Now, these were not thrifted. Here's the look all put together. Actually, I'm loving this one. It's the most laid back of all because of the sneakers, but then I threw in the pearls, which just creates that juxtaposition that I am loving. And again, with the stacking of the necklaces, my usual dog tag necklace, I've added this one that has a little bit of razzle dazzle at the bottom and then the pearls. And I love the way the white peeks out at the top of the black here. We've got the black details on the sleeve and the black detail at the back. Well, it's day 5. It's the end of the week, and we're going with these denim pants, darker color by the brand Mink. Yes, these are thrifted as well. I love the pockets on the back. They're so different. And these ones, they were a bit long for me at one point, so I took the scissors to them and cut them off. I still ended up having to put a cuff on them, but the color scheme for this is inspired by this green stitching on the cuff. And here we're going to be adding this basic white crew neck t-shirt with this green moto jacket. Of course, it's the end of the week. We want to have some fun. And we're adding in this blue chain statement necklace. And the other accessories in this will be this blue belt and this sort of suitcase type little purse that I thrifted. This one is by Aldo and it has all the colors in it. It has the blue and it has the green in it. And with this look, we're bringing back our Zara thrifted booty. Now here's the look all put together. I love the way this bag is just tying everything together. And of course, the necklace stacking. You know, building these looks around denim reminded me of something much deeper. In fashion, your foundation piece holds everything together. And I've learned in life, the same is true spiritually. When your foundation is solid, everything else layers differently. For me, that foundation is Jesus Christ. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which day was your favorite look. Your engagement truly supports this comeback season. And if you're building a wardrobe intentionally, subscribe and join the TSV family. Now, stay thrifted, stay styled, and stay graceful. Go to your closet, be inspired, and have some fun. And as always, thanks for watching.